beginner, you must understand that UPSC IAS exam is one of the toughest exams in India, which needs immense dedication and hard work. The IAS exam is conducted in 3 stages, and each stage has its own level of difficulty. To become a successful IAS officer, you will need to make a strong mindset, as the preparation journey will be full of ups and downs. Here are some key steps to follow for UPSC preparation for beginners. The first step is understand the exam pattern. This is the most important thing that I realize. Understand the exam pattern and syllabus. The first step for the beginners is to understand the IAS exam pattern and syllabus. The UPSC exam consists of 3 stages: preliminary, mains and interview. The preliminary exam is objective in nature and tests the general aptitude of the candidate, while the mains exam is subjective and tests the candidate's knowledge of the chosen subject. The interview is the final stage and tests the candidate's personality and communication skills. It is important to understand the IAS syllabus for each stage and prepare accordingly. So, this is the first point that I realized. And second point, prelims preparation tips for beginners. So, the preliminary exam tests the candidate's aptitude and general knowledge. It is important to focus on the basics and build a strong foundation in subjects such as history, geography, economics and polity. So, some key steps for UPSC prelims preparation include focus on NCERT books for UPSC to build a strong foundation in the basics, and read newspaper and magazines regularly to stay updated on current affairs. And apart from this, practice UPSC prelims mock test and previous year questions papers to improve speed and accuracy. I think this is quite important. And also, apart from this, choose the right optional subject, because in the mains exam stage, candidate need to choose an optional subject from the list of 38 optional subjects provided by UPSC, and it is advisable to choose a subject that you are interested in and have some prior knowledge or background. So it is also important to choose a subject that is scoring relevant to the exam and has good study materials available. And also, apart from this, decide on coaching versus self-study. This is the most important thing. The decision to join a coaching institute or do self-study depends on the individual's preference and resources. Coaching institutes actually can provide guidance, support and resources to help beginners prepare effectively. It is important to choose a coaching institute that has a good track record and experienced faculty, and also to keep in mind the associated cost. However, self-study can also be effective if one has access to good study materials and it is disciplined in following study plan. And the another important thing that we realize, create a study plan. Creating a study plan is crucial for UPSC preparation for beginners. The study plan should cover the syllabus in a systematic and efficient manner with time allocated for revision and practice. It is important to stay disciplined and focus on the study plan. And apart from this, regular practice is also very important, because regular practice of mock test, previous year question papers and other practice methods is important for UPSC preparation for beginners, and it helps in identifying strengths and weaknesses, improving performance and building confidence. And the last point, the most important thing, stay positive and motivated. Although it is natural to feel demotivated, and sometimes staying motivated during your UPSC preparation is crucial for success in this highly competitive exam. By setting realistic goals, finding inspiration, surrounding yourself with positivity, taking breaks and practicing self-care and keeping the bigger picture in mind, you can stay motivated and focused on your goals. Thank you for watching this video.